We are your engine experts, and across the entire life cycle of your engine, we support you with the right product. PERFORMPlus is our intelligent solution for operators of newer engines. We achieve more time on wing and lower costs per flight hour. How do we do this? We reduce the number of engine removals. You benefit from fewer spare engines. To accomplish this, we cost-effectively manage your fleet and maintenance requirements over the contract period. We also use predictive maintenance measures, like a heart rate monitor. We use data, our engine trend monitoring and engineering expertise, to detect and rectify negative trends early. Whenever possible, we perform repairs on-site or near wing. When a shop visit is needed, you don't have to worry. At MTU, we offer exceptional maintenance, repair, and overhaul. If required, we can provide you with spares. Our work scope is individually defined for each and every engine and has one goal: optimize the shop visit so that your engine receives all that is necessary, but none of what is not. Whenever we can repair something, we won't replace it. We perform over 80% of repairs in-house. Our engineers have even developed proprietary repairs that can reduce scrap rates and increase your engine performance. This gives you a cost-efficient solution without compromising on service and renowned MTU quality. PERFORMPlus, more flight hours at lower cost with customized MRO. Contact us and find your solution.